Okay, this is a blade I got on Amazon by this company. I don't know who that is. Do you know who that is? It says handmade new, and it's wrapped in this stuff. So normal, we go and just open this with our fingers, but that's super dangerous. So we're gonna do start it with this. Knives are super dangerous, so you want to be careful. Yep, almost cut myself there. That'd have been cool. That's the last time I'm going to touch a knife in a while. I'll tell you what. Alright. Is that a piece of my skin? What is that? Is that like an amoeba? Is that a sea monkey? Alright. Is this magnetic? What is this? It's magnetic. You gotta wonder, is this case handmade too? Alright. It's a Ziploc bag. Huh. That's odd, right? There's like a leather smell. Is this leather? That's disturbing that is all. We got a cobweb? What that is? It's not a cobweb. It kind of smells like leather. I don't know. That's disturbing to me that button is being held like right there, and that's always going to be pulled. But I guess it all depends on the stitching, which doesn't appear to be bad, but I'm not a stitcherer. You know what I mean? I don't think anybody's a stitcherer because it kind of doesn't exist. Alright, let's see. What is this for? Is this for blowing my nose? Anybody remember what that's for? This is made of cow? Cow intestine? Alright. There's another handmade item with a silica packet. Another Ziploc bag. Does it look like the thing that I bought? Didn't the one I bought have a wood handle? Is it like the bone type stuff? Whoa, that is sharp. Yeah. That's smooth. Let's see how much the spring is. Wow. This just goes right back in, huh? Well, I guess there's a big difference. Wow, that is just easy. That goes back in and easy. Now that's not supposed to be etching. That is supposed to be actual Damascus steel. How do I prove that? I don't. No paperwork or anything, huh? Maybe because it's handmade. But that is smooth. That is really smooth. And just snaps back in. Or something like this. We got a bump right there. See? and then it snaps in. Remember this is locked, and it's just all smooth. Look at that. Till it goes right there. Can we? Oh, we could pull it open. Is that a magnet? This one I can't get a grip on to pull on it. Huh. I do know that is sharp as hell. Is it shaving me? You can't see the hair on this blade. Yeah, it's definitely, well, you can see I'm missing hair. Well, that was a nice one. Small. Guess I'm a woodsman now, huh? Is this thing turning? Oh, yeah, it does. Turning. Hey, guy. You're a little cutie, aren't you? Yeah. All right. That's pretty cool.